Hey everyone, I'm going to be fixing both my Bing Crosby's mouths. I'm going to fix the new one first. This is the plastic mouth version. Okay, so I got to try to pull the mouth out. Get this one out of the way. Well, that plastic's already bending. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need the hot glue gun. Well, that didn't take very long. That was one of the easier ones, jeez. That spider is always in the way. Okay. Well, now I gotta get the... Oh, shit. Gotta get the staples out. Oh. Oh. Jesus. I know I'm not talking much, I'm just trying to focus on this. There we go. Yeah, that's... gonna have to chip some of that black stuff off when I'm done here. Ugh. Now that's gonna have to be clipped. What the heck? Okay, there we go. There's that piece. Okay, let's do it. Okay, jeez. Now, let's see what I can use. Wait, I have to. Just a minute. There we go. Should work. Jeez. Clean up. Let's see if it works. Did it? Did this drain seriously? Oh wow, it just slipped right out. Okay, let's retry that. Jeez. My gosh. Okay, it's on that time.
Got to act to add the positive, fight it the negative, latch on to the affirmative. Don't.
Looks like the motor's stuck.
Got to act to add the positive.
Okay, let's see if we can free up this motor a little bit. That motor looks like it's locked up. Just a minute. see if
Got to act.
okay. See if that's better when I put it back on. It might need some oil, but I don't know. Oops. Jeez. It's getting a little stuck. Ugh. There we go.
Got to act.
Yeah, it's still not that fast.
Positive, even minus the negative. Latch on to the affirmative. Don't mess with Mr. In the.
I wonder if it needs more. I wonder if it needs oil. I'm afraid it's gonna kill the motor though. That's what I'm afraid of. Guess we'll try it.
Got to accentuate the positive, even minus the negative. Latch on.
I might have to take that piece back off again, because it can't spin all the way with that string on. So it might need to spin a little bit for a while. So I'm gonna have to do this a third time. Okay, let's.
Got to accentuate the positive, even minus the negative. Latch.
That sounds better. Okay. Gonna do it again. Oops. This piece is nearly splitting. Jeez. I don't think this is gonna last too long. Because if it's splitting already again, so that's not good. Ugh. God. Ugh. I don't even know where the piece went. I'm grabbing a new one anyways because it's splitting. It's only going to work a couple minutes and then it's going to split again. Let's try one of these. This will probably work better. This thing's trying to fight me here. Does it really like that? Oh my god. Oh yeah, I forgot to put that screw in. Okay then. Oh. There we go.
Got the action.
Yeah.
To raise the positive, even minus the negative. Latch on to the...
It'll get faster. Let's just put it back on. Jeez. I swear. What the? That was random. Oh. Can't even see anything. Okay, something's messed up. Oh. I don't know what happened here. Hey everyone, Jovian Videos, and I'm on with Totally Awesome. Now, I'm working on this being Crosby. This is my first one, but it's the 3rd gen. This is the one with that stupid metal, well, at first I thought it was going to be a good one to fix. This is that one with that metal rod and that rubber mouth, the discolored rubber mouth. If you have this version, don't fix it. Don't fix it, especially if you don't have fixing experience. Now, I thought this was going to be easy to fix. Well, after I got the shaft out, I couldn't get the head off because it was being blocked because this is a square shaft, so it sticks out. So I had to take these big cutters and cut it. So I have to probably melt a hole through that and stick this through. That was Joseph's idea, by the way. But if you have and this version isn't very common, so it's not very likely that you'll have this. But if you get one of these, it's not gonna work. If you get any of these, it's not gonna work. You're gonna have to fix them if you want them working. Like this one. This one's plastic. This one's easy to fix. I just pulled the mouth right off and re-glued it back on. That's how easy it was. You know, and this is a look. And if you want to know what the difference, look out for the hats, because this one's a slightly more gray. So you can tell them apart. The mouth is squishy rubber. You'll notice the difference. But if you have this version and if you don't have fixing experience, don't just leave it. Who cares if the mouth doesn't work? Because you know what else happened? I was trying to put the head back on, and because this piece is so long, I ended up snapping it. See, up here? So I have to... now the head is leaning a little bit. So I'm gonna have to take this off and put a smaller piece on it. So if you don't have much experience with fixing, don't even try. This one's much easier, but these ones can still be messed up too. But there are better ways to fix these ones than that one.
I hate the metal Bing Crosby.
Yeah.
I hope I don't get one like that.
This is 2nd gen and this is 3rd gen. Jimmy really must have tried you not to be able to fix these, because that was done on purpose. Like, look at how much I was trying to melt this piece just to pull it out. This is actually all one piece. At first I thought it was 2 separate pieces, and maybe it is, but if that's not one piece, that's glued in there pretty good. There's no way getting that out. You have to cut that square shaft, because there's no other way. You have to pull the shaft out of this. Well, actually, you don't have to pull it out of that. You just have to pull the shaft out of this, and then you have to somehow get this out. But like I said, you'll have to just cut it, because it's not going to come out if you don't do that. I haven't glued his head back on. That's why it's still loose. But yeah, if you have the metal shaft version, if you want, like, how can you tell if it's metal shaft? Just pull the melt down and look, and you'll see. And if you see that, don't fix it. I think Rodney Dangerfield is like this, but his head is bigger, I think. That's why. Rodney Dangerfield is probably easier to fix because his head is bigger. So, again, metal shaft, don't fix. Unless it comes out a lot easier, but I doubt it. I mean, because this, again, I just pressed down on his mouth and it snapped right off. Then I just hot glued it back on when I was done putting that new piece on. And when you put the heads back on, you have to have it sideways and have these lined up. You have to have this down far enough, and that's the thing. This is too thick, so it can't get over that. And then when you have a thin enough piece, you have to wiggle it back and forth, but you also have to hold this too, so it doesn't snap. And get it on, and then twist the head back into the position, and then glue the mouth back on. So I don't know. These things are complicated to fix, and you've got to have a lot of experience before you want to fix these, just so you don't mess them up. Because don't let this be your first one to fix. Let it be those, because those are easier. If this is your first attempt to try to fix, don't. If you fix multiple other ones and you got the hang of it, then I guess go for it. But I'm telling you, it's going to give you a little bit of trouble. It will. So, Jimmy did something with these pop culture. They really did not want you to fix them. But good thing is, we can still fix them. We have our ways. But again, if you don't have experience, just don't. Have someone else do it for you. Well, not like, send it to one of us, or like probably Bailey, because he always succeeds at these things. So, yeah, just that's all I have to say. So, thanks for watching.